to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I have a review for you guys for a brand new product that I'm really excited about. So if you aren't new to my channel, I have been talking about OLAPLEX for so long and how much it has helped my hair. And they came out with the number 0, and this is a concentrated product, which I am so excited to talk to you guys about. So I'm going to be talking about this product here in conjunction with their number 3, and I'm super excited to, kind of dive in and what my thoughts are about this product in particular. So if you guys are interested in this video, please go ahead and continue watching. Also go ahead and subscribe to my channel, which is that big red button down below. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so this bad boy right here is the number 0, and this is from OLAPLEX. This is one of their brand new products, and this is their intensive bond building hair treatment. So basically this helps prime the hair and gets it ready for OLAPLEX number 3, which their number 3 is one of their first products that they ever came out with, and this is their hair perfector. So this will go like before the number 3, and basically on the back it says that it is supposed to be, put on dry hair, and you're supposed to leave it on your hair for 10 minutes. And this is supposed to, again, help rebuild the hair, prime the hair to get it ready to, let number 3 work really well. But this also helps define and rebuild and re-strengthen the hair as well. So this is more of a concentrated version. This is a quite liquidy product. I don't know if you guys can see from like the side here, but like literally like it's liquid, and it has like a nozzle top to it, so when you apply it, it's just gonna drip all throughout your hair, and you're supposed to saturate this on dry hair. And personally, I love this product, and the reason why I love it is because, especially for my curly girls who love to straighten their hair, or for people who straighten their hair on a daily basis, or if you have color treated hair and you're looking to repair your hair, this treatment I find is an extra step. If you notice that OLAPLEX number 3 is not as strong as you would like it to be. Now personally for me, like I've used it once or twice, which I'm going to insert some videos right in here what my hair looked like when I added the product and then after. Now my roots in general are very like loose compared to the rest of the body of my hair, but honestly, like the definition that I received after using this product was actually really good. The only thing is, I've been seeing on their Instagram that a lot of people have seen like amazing results, and it's been like night and day. Now personally for me, most of the color treated, the blonde that I used to have in my hair, which if you guys want to go back to some old videos, you guys will see that I used to have blonde curls. And before that, like my hair was color treated, but I just got a trim, so most of the color is like pretty much all gone. So this is just like my natural virgin hair. So I didn't see major difference. However, especially in here, I have a lot of like a looser curl pattern. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but I have definitely a lot of like looser pieces and stuff, and those actually coiled up really well, and I find that my roots actually tightened up a lot after using OLAPLEX number 0. So I would say overall, if you are color treating your hair, if you are straightening your hair very often, especially if you're gonna straighten your hair and you want to prep your hair, number 0 on top of number 3 is such a good combo to use. And once you use the OLAPLEX number 0, what you do, you just place OLAPLEX number 3 right on top of your hair and you let that sit. Now, typically they say the longer you leave your hair in, like you leave the OLAPLEX number 3 in, the better. So for me, I typically like to leave both the 0 and the OLAPLEX number 3 for half an hour each. So that's about an hour, which is a pretty good time frame for, especially as curly girls, if we're going to be deep conditioning. This does not replace a deep conditioner, so I do go in and I do a moisturizing treatment after this, because this is not at all moisturizing at all. This is supposed to be a bond repairer, so this has no moisture in it at all. So I would go in and deep condition with a moisture-based deep conditioner versus a protein base. Because this is so high in protein, I wouldn't double up and do another protein based deep conditioner, because that can leave you to protein overload, and that can actually make your hair worse than better. So something that's more moisture based, which if you guys want to look at some of my older videos, I do have some deep conditioners that are moisture based that I recommend on my channel, if not on my Instagram. So please go ahead and follow those two accounts. And if you guys want to see like some recommendations, I can also put them in the description box below. And you guys can follow up with these treatments, the OLAPLEX treatments, with moisturizing deep conditioners. And I find that those in conjunction makes beautiful curls and beautiful results. So guys, that's pretty much my review on the new OLAPLEX No.0. I did get this product from Sephora. I know you can get it on their website and also from selected hair salons. However, I did receive this from Sephora. I paid for this with my own money, and it also came with a bonus of number 3, just a smaller version. So I did end up getting this when it did release, and I think it was around anywhere between $20 to $30. It wasn't that expensive. To be honest, in one wash, like I probably did about like a quarter of the bottle. So honestly, I would say like for another 4 or 5 washes, this is probably how long it's gonna last me. Is it a little bit pricier for the fact that you're not gonna get as much use out of it? Yes. However, I do think it's 100% worth it. OLAPLEX is a brand that I 100% trust, and I've been using their treatments for over a year now. And honestly, every product that they come out with, I've been excited to try. But honestly, No.0 was definitely something I wanted to put my hands on, and I'm definitely happy I did. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and also comment down below whether you folks have tried the OLAPLEX No.0, and let me know what your thoughts are on this product. And I hope I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.